It pops, which sprays you with water.
Wow.
His backpack.
Oh,
double launcher.
They help him build to save the day. Wow. Just like you guys did, so we can take the jetpacks for Botasaur.
Yeah! And then you fly out.
I mean, like any bottom?
Yep, anything on the bottom.
All right. Okay. All right. Let's see.
Want to pick that one?
Chase.
Been any of these yet. You are number.
These videos.
That's all. Oh!
It's coming to my time. You can put all of your pups in all.
Pick him up.
Large scale vehicle, and for the first
Their little heads. So they both.
Oh, it's squishy too.
Oh yeah, it's spinning.
Yeah.
Very cool.
That's awesome.
Belly, but he's very hungry.
There you go. Whoa.
What I'm gonna do?
Only allowed to use one hand with this.
Pull with these little vehicles. You just turn these little switches out.
Today, I'm at Spin Master to check.
Let's throw Rocky in his little recycle truck, Rubble in his construction truck.
Ryan, look who else is here.
Oh yeah, you
That
can
one
shoot.
has a. He's going in. Put your hands like that. Right there. Put your back. There we go. Oh, and the shark sub for their fast adventures.
Oh, you got it.
In addition to being.
Yeah, there you go.
Oh,
And you can place additional pups.
he likes you. Here. Uh-oh. It's flying. Woo.
Bruce it. Yes. Okay, so you warm up the heart to get it ready to hatch.
Friends in season 2.
It's Rusty.
Check out all the new toys they have.
New fire truck for Pop.
Where they
Go like this. Wave my hand like this.
Whoa.
Hatchimals? What is that? It's soft, huh?
Yeah. So if you can open it.
all break up.
Yeah, it's all just
Oh, the little bunny.
Oh, some lights are lighting up.
Whoa, this goes really high.
Here you go, bud. You can play with it. And Botarilla. And then you can.
Open the front. You can put 2 up here, 2 right here. This is the perfect. Look at this.
Awesome.
This is an advertisement for Spin Master.
But he has lots of fun features,
I
including.
thought just box.
Really? So now.
I didn't expect that.
So this is Pimple Peep. Oh, I think he's doing it.
Oh.
These ones are best friends, so they're giving each other.
Marshall? Oh my goodness.
We've got a couple new friends for Rusty.
I wonder which one we go first. Like.
In this huge vehicle. It's
I like carrots. He loves carrots.
Feeding the carrots.
In front of him.
Oh.
That's awesome.
There we go.
Whoa.
New vehicles for Rusty and Ruby. Got the motorcycle. Got Tigerbot.
So he plays with the ball. He just.
Fit in one. Nobody else in the world will have this. You're actually the first person. We didn't even open. You ready? Push down.
Push down.
Food that is magic confetti poop.
So we know you love games. New York Wobbler.
I know what
I love.
for Ryan.
One's only available here
What?
in New York.
Only.
So no.
You have to pull a pimple
Oh.
out from the chin.
Okay.
But right there. Yeah, and then give it a little.
Try using this.
Well, he kind of could box me.
Oh, look at that.
It's almost like
He's shaped like a box.
He's shaped like a box.
Let's go. Ooh. You shot yourself.
If you pull it too hard or push it back too far, the mega
Vehicles at a little smaller of a scale.
it's our new game that's coming out for this fall. And if it lands on the chin,
Dance a lot. You want to try tinsel? Hold on. So just place the ball right. Sky's helicopter, drop her in. So we also have these cool new vehicles.
There you go.
Oh, you're doing it. You're doing it.
Oh,
Ryan.
looks shiny, Ryan.
He's so sparkly. So just turn it. Let's see if we
Oh, I got the goal. We're getting up. Here's his goal. Sorry.
Okay.
and it's most exciting when you put your face right up against
Yeah.
it.
Go, tiny Hatchimal, go, be free.
Who's your favorite character, Ryan?
Spin map.
Oh, we're getting it love. We're kind of wishing, thinking who we're gonna hatch. We don't know yet.
We launch it.
Oh, there you go.
This is a new season 4 character. He's called a Narwobbler. You can put
Backpacks.
Oh, I saw that in one of the videos.
Look at you want to launch.
Hey, high five. Oh! Back kick. You got it. Got it.
And you're ready to go on and fall.
Able to do that. He also has these really cool games,
Do you like playing games?
like soccer. Let's see.
their little high five, their whisperer's secret, giving a high five here, riding a piggyback. Do you ever ride?
Monkey and a pig.
He's like, good day, monkey on your back. The hair. Look how
It's
cute
its friend,
they are.
yeah.
Okay, so both you island party with all your Hatchie friends. Thanks for helping.
This will help.
You're pretty good at this.
It's
Choose
ice
a little
cream.
bit. Yum, yum, yum. See, he's eating it.
He's watching you.
I thought I was gonna get a free pass. All right, so I have to pull from the chin.
Uh-oh.
Is that tiger?
Yep, that's Tigerbot. And then Cloudarilla. These are Rusty's new.
Hatch 5.
His name's Box.
Yeah? Alright, splash it.
You and your mom can hatch this exclusive Hatchimal collectible. So this numero uno, sir. Are you ready? Okay.
All right, so we're gonna open the Hatchimal collectible.
Oh, he lights up.
Launcher
You
too.
launch it right here.
Oh.
You have a song?
Pushing this button because you never know which response.
Backpacks with launching water cannons. All new ultimate rescue mission.
Remember this?
Joy Ribbon more fun.
Try soccer. Line him up here. Oh, gotta do the dance for us first. He likes to do for boxing. So he's able to follow my hand movements all around the table.
It's all the vehicles.
And
Yum, 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 yum.
ah,
Oh, good
he
bite
really ate
there.
it, Ryan.
Look at their cool new.
Pick him up. Let him scan the box.
Marshall.
Hungry, so what you have to do, pick a little piece of food, whether choose an ice cream.
Here. Do you want to shoot the little cannon?
Yeah.
It's in the back, so you can go on other rescue missions. But you want to see something really.
And they're underwater. That's
It's gone.
Is he gonna poop it out?
Oh, you gotta keep feeding him, but yeah.
That's a rip.
Let's see what happens. There you go.
Oh wow.
Oh.
What do we get, Ryan?
So Chase and all of the 6 pups get new vehicles with new tools.
Master Hatchimal.
Something's coming out.
What's that?
Ah,
you can build them too.
Let's warm up.
nice.
Right here.
Now push it back. So watch this. Hold it like this. Hold it right here.
Oh, it goes inside.
Yeah, so you can load your mini car missions that they need to.
Oh no.
Save Rusty.
I haven't seen.
Submarine.
I'm gonna launch that.
You want to open the egg? See which collectible you got?
And
You like the tiger with all the.
Oh,
Or
Oh.
a carrot, and then you just
And
kind
then
of
rub
give
hold it in front of him like this. See how I'm moving my hand slowly? Try that. And let's see.
Yep. Went up. There we go. Gentle touch. Stay right there. Just want to hover. Ooh. Can you pass it?
And then you hook them onto the side like this. Look at that.
this one.
That's really cool.
It's like a.
Throw this shit out.
Nice.
Funny little bunny. So you can pet him on his little head or tickle his back.
Ryan,
Oh, yeah?
remember when you took Rusty and Botasaur to save Ruby and work?
Please click on one of the
Barcode.
Oh, wow.
Oh, wow.
Not game mode, so we're gonna.
Over there, it comes with Marshall, and then you can also get the 6 pups, and they have Patrol. They go on bigger, larger, ever like
You're gonna get. So you can have a little.
I react cause I don't have no talent. I react, it's easy, takes no effort. I react and barely show emotion. I react, when I do I found a motive. I react cause I don't have no talent. I react, it's easy, takes no effort. I react and barely show emotion. I react, when I do I found a motive. Easy getting fame these days since you do not need any talent. People try to take me down, but too bad there ain't no repellent. Divide myself count by 10, it'll get the IQ of all my viewers. Of all my viewers who are too retarded to watch real YouTubers. My vids contain of adding a little fucking cam screen, which 10-year-olds enjoy cause they don't have their own opinion. They're stupid and my minions got me over 1 million. This is the age of YouTube, no talent equals millions. Getting paid, get paid for nothing. If you're watching this right now, just turn on your cam. All you need is a fake smile to get them views and get all this money. Thank God that the world's retarded. I react cause I don't have no talent. I react, it's easy, takes no effort. I react and barely show emotion. I react, when I do I found a motive. I react cause I don't have no talent. I react, it's easy, takes no effort. I react and barely show emotion. I react, when I do I found a motive. It's so amazing you can grow up people's content. Lazy life, I got it like this my fucking job, bitch. Resume on fleek, on your salary in 1 week, cunt. And it's not only me, cunt. No, there's 100 more cunts. Yeah, all I do is lay back, react to trending topics. Still I'm the trending topic. Then react to my own vids and get 1 million more hits. Thank the Lord I got rich by all these stupid kids. I react cause I don't have no talent. I react, it's easy, takes no effort. I react and barely show emotion. I react, when I do I found a motive. I react cause I don't have no talent. I react, it's easy, takes no effort. I react and barely show emotion. I react, when I do I found a